basil, so hey now, not just for cooking, right? You can use it for cooling down. What are the best essential oils for exercising? Well, today I'm going to cover that in a unique way with regards to oils that warm as well as oils that cool. So let's get right into it. Well, both warming and cooling essential oils can be used for recovery and rest between workouts because they can soothe and relax. Whether you use warming essential oils for relaxing massage or cooling oils to put yourself at ease in the locker room or the gym, these oils can be an invaluable part of getting your body to rest and relax between workouts. So what are some of the benefits of warming essential oils? Well, they're useful during a warm-up. It gives your muscles and limbs a loose, flexible feeling, as well as it can help you feel more limber and ready to work out. It's also useful for resting and recovery periods between workouts and useful for massage. And so you can take these oils to a massage therapist and see if they can work it in with regards to fractionated coconut oil as well. I'm going to talk about that shortly here. So what are some examples of essential oils with warming properties? Well, there's a handful of them, and those are black pepper, cassia, which is like cinnamon's cousin. You have cinnamon, there we go, clove, frankincense, and wintergreens. And so those are just 6 oils that you can use that provide a nice warming sensation. But there's an important note to make. One of my favorites is actually Frankie or frankincense, boom, from doTERRA. And this is really good because it supports cellular health. It can also help with mood, and it's really just great to combine with other oils with regards to a layering technique, and that includes deep blue, the oil, and the deep blue rub, okay? But there's one important note that I want to mention, and that's you want to make sure to dilute that with a fractionated coconut oil. There we go, right, boom, right there, that doTERRA offers first. So you put that on first and then the essential oil. This will help with reducing the chance of irritation as well as covering larger surface areas or body areas, and it'll help the essential oil absorb better into the skin. So it's a threefold benefit use to this, and this is just, it absorbs really quickly into the body. There's no coconut smell, although I do like the coconut smell. This is just for topical use though. So let's talk about some of the cooling benefits, right? Stay cool. So this is useful during a cool down or post-workout. This provides the body with a cooling sensation. It soothes your body after a strenuous activity and is also useful for a massage. And so some examples of essential oils with cooling properties includes basil. So hey now, not just for cooking, right? You can use it for cooling down. You have cardamom, peppermint, and deep blue. So those are just 4 oils that you can use for that. And here's an example of the deep blue. So it comes in oil form as well as a rub. And the rub is more like a lotion, but yeah, this is really, really good. And this is another important note to make, which is when applying topically, you want to, boom, use that fractionated coconut oil. Again, that's going to help with covering larger surface areas. It's going to help the essential oils to absorb better into the skin because the essential oils are volatile aromatic compounds that just want to evaporate really quickly. So this is going to help basically usher those essential oils into the skin a lot better. And then the third reason that you want to use this is to reduce the chance of irritation. So very important to use this as a, you know, kind of like the primer, and then the paint would be the essential oil, but as an analogy. But yeah, this is the natural version of it. Well, before I ended today's video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to the YouTube channel Burke Entertainment, where they have different videos on fitness, weight management, exercises, and food. You can learn more in the description area below. And other than that, hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.